Hey, what's up? This is J Lucky Henry. Today we're going to talk about Mega Open House. I'm going to explain what it is, why it works, and how it's different than a regular open house. They ask me how I know it'll be okay. This is J Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J Lucky Henry. Today we're talking about what is a mega open house. So this series is clearly all about how we're going to showcase that property. And yesterday we talked about a regular open house. Today we're talking about a mega open house. So what's a mega open house? A mega open house is an open house with tons of people. I say tons because you have to compare it to what a regular open house is. If a regular open house in your market is about 10 people, then a mega open house might be considered 50 in your market. See, it's a phrase that was coined by some online experts, people who are real estate coaches, real estate top producers. They kind of coined this phrase, and there is no exact number that says, that's a mega open house. A mega open house is way bigger than a traditional open house based on whatever market you're in. So how does this work, and why does it work, and what's the big deal with them? So why do they work? Because it's that scarcity mentality that's created by having X amount of people more in a property than, say, a normal open house. Everyone knows only one person is going to be able to purchase this property. So if normally there's only 10 people, the buyer knows, okay, I got to beat these 9. But if today there's 50, now there's 49 people they got to beat. The pressure's on. They might have to make a stronger offer in order to get this property. So this is why they work. They create that scarcity. Now, how do you make them happen? You invite everybody, right? You invite the neighbors that you say, they're just looky-loos, right? I don't really want to invite. Nope, invite them, right? Bring them over. Invite the neighbors' friends. Matter of fact, invite the people from work. Invite other realtors. Invite everybody. There's more signage. There's more people. There's more attention. There's more everything, which creates more what? More price for the seller, which is you, because you're selling. That's why you want to know what a mega open house is. So if you got any more questions about mega open houses, feel free to reach out to me. We'll be back tomorrow with another video talking about group showings, virtual showings, social media. This series is going to be great. Don't miss a video. Subscribe if you haven't. This is J Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it.